Video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to use Quillbot to paraphrase a piece of content. So I'm just going to go ahead and you just want to go ahead and head on over to quillbot.com and you're going to get this page right here. Now here's a sample article that I'm going to paraphrase. So what you want to do is just basically copy everything, and if you click this button right here, it'll automatically be pasted onto Quillbot. Now usually when you have images, you will get the captions of the images, you will get them written out here, so you will have to delete them. Now luckily in this piece of content that we copied, there are no images, so we don't have to do that. Now here, this little thing here, the more changes you select, I selected the one with the most changes, but if you don't specifically need to seem like if you don't completely want to customize it 100% and still be plagiarism free, I would suggest you do the lesser changing one. Now, as you can see, all of the words that were changed are in different colors, and you can see you have to go word by word to make sure that the new text makes sense, because we've chosen the top option, and sometimes that there are some words that don't make a lot of sense or that don't look very good. So it's very important to go word by word. So this one, for instance, so when you click on the sentence, you can see in blue the exact part of the article that was changed. So if you live in the U.S. and you're looking for security company Denver, then you must read this article and find out the qualifications. Okay, so this looks good. Here, what are the qualities and skills that a security guard must possess? I would rather change this, and if you click on it, you would get other synonyms. I think that we can choose this one. So we still have changed the word required, but we've chosen something that looks simpler and much better. It's very important to go through the entire text and make sure that that everything makes sense and that you fix the parts that don't. And once you're done, you can just copy all of that and paste it onto a new document, and you've got your new article. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. And so I'm just going to go ahead and close this. Thank you.